Vidya Yachandran. So I have enrolled the full stack development course in Besant Technology. So my coordinator name is Vivek sir and my trainer name is Sweta ma'am. So I don't have any prior knowledge in HTML projects. So within the 3 days, I have created a mini website for Quality Walls ice cream brands. So and this page is visually rich and it has user images, tables, videos, and I have inserted an hyperlinks in this web page. So I have used the table tag for creating the table. So and inside the table tag to create the table heading, I have um, I, I have used the th tag and inside the tr tag I have used the th tag and to fill this data I have used the td tag again. So and for the heading and for the heading I have used the header tag h1. So I have next I have used the mark element. So this mark element is used to prioritize something or use or used to show something which is important. So and then again I have used the HR tag to create a line. And then I have again I have said that I have used the table element to create this table to show the varieties and the flavors for this quality walls ice cream. So in this project description, I have in this project descriptions, I have used the paragraph tag uh, to to uh, to give the information about my projects. So for the image, I have used the image tag inside the source attribute. I have given I have given the images link which I have copied from the right. And then for videos, and then to link the videos and add in my in my project, we can use both audio or video tag to uh, link to resources. But I have used the iframe. So iframe is used for link the both HTML document and also the videos and the ads. The again I have so here I have I have I have described I have described about the project this project goals and tasks. So here I have used the um, so here I have used the OL and the UL tag. So order the list and another list tag. Inside the list tag, I have given every point. So and again, I have used the table element to show the branches and the locations for this. And then here I have given the form orders and reviews. So again, I have used the iframe source to link the to link another form element within this HTML project. So again, uh, uh, in this project, I have integrated multimedia resources like image, web videos, image and videos. So in this form element, I have used in this form element. Um, I have I have used in the placeholders and then the input and inside the input tag. I have given the uh, I have given the label for this form elements. So inside the placeholder tag, I have given the informations what we need to enter. Just like enter your name, enter your email ID, or enter your number. In this contact number, I have used the pattern. So using the pattern, we have the we are using the pattern for the validation purposes, and then for the comments and reviews. I, I, I have used the text area element. So text area element, within the text area element, I have used the rows and the calls attribute. So I have given some values to create the to create an area which is sufficient to enter our comments and reviews. And I have used the button element to to click this submit button. So thanks for everyone uh, for giving me this opportunity to share my project. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good, good.
Thank you.
Others, next.
Ma'am, let me try now. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. You can able to.
Share. Can you see the HTML project, ma'am?
No, you what? Yeah, it's showing. Okay. Now you
First,
can.
let me introduce myself. I am Pawan. I enrolled in Besant's full stack development program. I am currently doing the front end development course. Our course coordinator is Vivek sir, and our trainer is Sweta ma'am. We were able to do the first project soon after enrolling the course. We did it just 3 days after learning. I implemented all the elements that I learned during these 3 days. So coming to the demo, the entire document is just one big table, and each of the section is a table row. So I used table element to create the outer table, and each section is a individual table row. So I used the header element, and then when coming to the second section, I used the table another table element. So this is the child table element. And then coming to the third section, I used image element. And then coming to the video section, I used iframe, and I used YouTube embedded links to display the YouTube links. And in the last, in this section, I used order list for the bottom ordered part, and I used unordered list for the one that's showing as dots. And the last but one section is the table again. In the final section, I used a form element and input elements to take the inputs from the user. The first one is type text, second one is of type email, and the third input it's a text area, so we can actually adjust the with the rows and columns based on the requirement. And then finally the submit button. So this is the basic overview of the demo. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good. Good.
Yeah.